everyone, welcome to my channel Beauty of Life. Today I am going to share a healthy beauty tip to improve our immune system. As this is winter season, we all know we get a common cold, cough, flu, allergies, etc. very frequently and quickly. To avoid this, take this immunity boosting shot daily. So without any delay, let's move into video. To make this shot, we require these ingredients. The ingredients are carrot, half lemon, 1 inch of ginger, 2 garlic cloves. Carrot. It consists of antioxidants, beta carotene and vitamin A, which helps to improve our immune system. Ginger. This is also contains anti-inflammatory properties, which requires body aches, nausea, and stomach inconvenience. And this half of the lemon, it has a plenty of vitamin C, which boosts our immune system. And 2 garlic cloves. It consists of antiseptic and antifungal properties, which is a key ingredient in this shot. Finally, 3/4 cup of water. Now see how to prepare the shot, which helps our immune system. First, peel the skin of the carrot and ginger and cut into small pieces. I have already made this earlier and I am to make easy. So, to prepare this, take a mixer blender and add these carrot pieces and ginger pieces into it. And add 2 garlic cloves. And add lemon also. To get a fine paste, add first some of the water to this ingredients. After adding this, blend it smoothly. After blending, we get a fine paste like this, and add remaining water of the cup into this mixture and again grind for few seconds. After grinding, we get a juicy texture like this, and take a glass and a strainer and strain the juice into this. Thus, our boosting immunity shot is ready now. Let's have this daily in the morning and our immune system improves very well. Hope you all like this video and subscribe to our channel and give a like to encourage me, and click the bell icon for the latest updates.